In an era of technological advancements, innovative opportunities to generate income are emerging, and one intriguing avenue is the utilization of AI models like ChatGPT. Chat, a product of OpenAI's groundbreaking research, possesses the ability to understand and generate human-like text, opening doors to a myriad of applications. While direct monetization of ChatGPT itself might not be prevalent, creative individuals are finding ways to leverage its capabilities to their advantage. From content creation to virtual coaching, the fusion of human creativity and AI prowess is reshaping how individuals can earn money in the digital age. This guide explores an array of strategies that harness the power of ChatGPT to open up new possibilities for income generation and innovation. 1. Content generation. You can use Chat to generate high-quality content for blogs, articles, social media posts, and more. If you have a blog or a website, you could use the generated content to attract more traffic and potentially earn money through ads or affiliate marketing. 2. Copywriting and marketing. AI-generated content can be used for copywriting, email marketing campaigns, and advertising materials. You could offer copywriting services to businesses and charge for creating compelling content. 3. Consulting or coaching. If you have expertise in a particular field, you can use Chat to assist in providing consultation or coaching services to clients. For instance, you could provide business advice, career coaching, or financial planning guidance. 4. Tutoring or educational services. Use Chat to help explain complex concepts or provide tutoring in various subjects. This could be particularly useful for students looking for extra help. 5. Creative writing. Authors and scriptwriters can use AI-generated content to brainstorm ideas, create characters, and even draft plot lines for novels, short stories, or screenplays. 6. Chatbots and customer support. You could develop AI-powered chatbots for websites or businesses to provide automated customer support. This could be especially beneficial for businesses looking to improve their customer service efficiency. 7. Language translation. Utilize AI models to assist in language translation services for clients or companies. While AI isn't perfect, it can help with basic translations and speed up the process. 8. App development. Incorporate AI-generated content into your applications to enhance user experiences. This could be in the form of interactive stories, virtual assistants, or content recommendation systems. 9. Social media management. Use AI-generated content to schedule and manage social media posts for individuals or businesses, helping them maintain a consistent online presence. 10. Entertainment and gaming. Incorporate AI-generated content into video games, interactive experiences, or other entertainment platforms to create unique and engaging content. So embrace the possibilities, stay curious, and embark on this exciting adventure of combining human ingenuity with AI potential. Thank you for watching, and may your endeavors with Chat lead you to new heights of success and fulfillment. If you found this video valuable, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful content. Until next time, keep exploring, keep creating, and keep earning with ChatGPT.